Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Doctor, I have a cold.
I see. How long have you been feeling unwell?
It's been about 3 days now.
Have you been experiencing a fever?
Yes, I've had a mild fever.
Any cough or sore throat?
Yes, I've got both.
Are you having any trouble breathing?
No, my breathing is fine.
How about your appetite? Has it changed?
I don't feel like eating much.
Have you been drinking plenty of fluids?
I've tried to, but not as much as I should.
Are you experiencing any body aches or headaches?
Yes, I feel achy all over and have a slight headache.
Have you taken any medication so far?
I've taken some paracetamol for the fever.
Is it helping with the symptoms?
It helps a bit, but the symptoms come back after a while.
Have you had any other symptoms like nausea or vomiting?
No, none of that.
Are you currently on any other medication?
No, I'm not taking anything else.
Have you been in contact with anyone who's ill recently?
Yes, my colleague had a cold last week.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any known allergies.
How about your sleeping patterns? Have they been affected?
I'm finding it hard to sleep because of the congestion.
Have you tried using a humidifier or steam inhalation?
No, I haven't. Would that help?
Yes, it can help ease the congestion.
Should I avoid any particular foods or drinks?
It's best to avoid dairy and sugary foods as they can increase mucus production.
Can I continue my daily exercise routine?
Light exercise is fine, but listen to your body and don't overdo it.
Is there anything specific I should be eating or drinking?
Try to eat balanced meals and drink plenty of fluids, especially warm ones like soups and herbal teas.
How long do you think this cold will last?
Most colds last about a week, but it can vary.
When should I be concerned and come back?
If your symptoms worsen or you develop a high fever, difficulty breathing, or chest pain, come back immediately.
Can I take any over-the-counter medications?
You can take decongestants and antihistamines, but follow the instructions carefully.
Are there any natural remedies that might help?
Honey and lemon in hot water can soothe a sore throat, and ginger tea can be beneficial.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, rest is important, and it also helps prevent spreading the cold to others.
How can I prevent catching a cold in the future?
Regular hand washing, avoiding close contact with sick people, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help.
Is it necessary to get a flu shot?
It's a good idea, especially during flu season, as it can prevent some types of flu.
What's the difference between a cold and the flu?
A cold is generally milder, with symptoms like a runny nose and sore throat. The flu tends to be more severe with high fever, body aches, and fatigue.
Can a cold lead to more serious complications?
It can, particularly if you have underlying health conditions. Watch out for signs of secondary infections like sinusitis or bronchitis.
Is there a specific type of cold medicine you recommend?
It depends on your symptoms. Combination cold medications can be effective, but make sure they don't interfere with any other medications you're taking.
Are there any side effects I should watch out for with cold medications?
Common side effects include drowsiness and dry mouth. If you experience anything severe, stop taking the medication and consult a doctor.
Can stress make my cold worse?
Yes, stress can weaken your immune system and prolong recovery.
Should I take vitamins or supplements?
Vitamin C and zinc can help support your immune system, but it's best to get nutrients from a balanced diet.
Is it okay to use nasal sprays for congestion?
Yes, but don't use them for more than a few days as they can cause rebound congestion.
Can I drink alcohol while I have a cold?
It's best to avoid alcohol as it can dehydrate you and interfere with your immune response.
How about smoking? Should I quit?
Definitely. Smoking can worsen respiratory symptoms and slow down your recovery.
Is it safe to use a vapor rub?
Yes, vapor rubs can help relieve congestion and soothe coughs.
Can I give my cold to my pets?
No, colds are species-specific, so you can't transmit it to your pets.
Is there any specific type of rest I should be getting?
Just ensure you get plenty of sleep and avoid overexertion.
Can I go outside if I'm dressed warmly?
Yes, fresh air can be good, but make sure you're dressed appropriately and avoid contact with others to prevent spreading the cold.
How can I keep my home environment comfortable while I'm sick?
Keep it warm, use a humidifier, and ensure good ventilation.
Thank you for your advice, Doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.